Hello. All right, we're gonna give it one more minute and then we'll get started. Okay, you guys? 1 minute.
Hey, Master Hunk.
Okay.
Are you not wearing a mask to save yourself from you?
Yeah, exactly. Pretty much. Pretty much.
Go on. Hey, who left the fridge open?
I didn't know the screen was open. Okay, everything.
You don't leave the fridge open since it's open since last night. What is this, Rogers?
I remember closing the door
Oh, you didn't.
of the kitchen.
Things would have gone bad now.
Ah!
All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. Come here, face me. Get up. Let's warm it up a little bit. Hands in the hips. Rotate your neck side to side. Hand up. Sit. Net. Sit. Sit. Here go. Yay. Hop. Yay. Up and down. Hana. Yay. Set. Net. Set. Set. Here go. Yay. Hop. Yay. Rotate your hips. Hana. Yay. Set. Net. Set. Set. Here go. Yay. Hop. Yay. Other way. Hana. Yay. Set. Net. Set. Set. Here go. Yay. Hop. Yay. All right, feet together now, hands on your knees. Rotate your knees in a circle. Hana. Yay. Set. Net. Set. Set. Here we go. Yay. Hop. Yay. And the other way. Hana. Yay. Set. Net. Set. Set. Here we go. Yay. Hop. Yay. All right, spread your feet, 2 shoulders apart. Face right, touch your head to your leg. Hanam. Yay. Set. Net. Set. Set. Here go. Yay. Hop. Yay. And up, other side. Same thing. Hanam. Yay. Set. Net. Set. Set. Here go. Yay. Hop. Yay. And up. Go ahead and sit down. Legs open up as wide as you can. Turn to your left. Reach over with the right hand. Grab your toes. Hana. Yay. Set. Net. Set. Set. Here go. Yay.
Find some
Ahop.
you.
Yay. And up. Other side. Same thing. Hanam. Do. Set. Net. Set. Set. Here we go. Yay. Ahop. Yay. And up to the middle now. Try and touch your elbows and your forehead to the ground. Hanam. Yay. Set. Net. Set. Set. Here we go. Yay. Ahop. Yay. And up, feet together, legs straight out in front of you. Reach forward and try and touch your toes for me, please. Hanam. Three. Set. Net. Set. You set. Here we go. Yay. Ahop. Yay. And up. Good. All right, this time from here. Bums of the feet together. Push your knees down. Butterfly stretch. And up. Three. Set. Net. Set. You set. Here we go. Yay. Ahop. Yay. And up. All right, good. Go ahead and stand up. Turn around, fix your double hooks. Shake out your legs a little bit. All right, from here, everyone, jump in. All right, let's go back into fighting stance. Yep. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to do some kicking in place because I want to see you guys' leg positions. All right. So what we're going to do is, yeah, you don't have to worry about kicking too high, but you need to worry about being balanced. Okay, I don't want you guys falling over. So we're going to work on front kick a little bit. Okay. All right, the reason why we're going to work on front kick is for senior green belts, Mr. Swolgis. Right, this is your next break. All right, board breaking technique. Okay, so, all right, Mr. Jasper, Mr. Lucas, you need to pay attention as well because foot positioning here, right, helps you with your roundhouse kick break for your blue belt. All right, so from here, right, we're going to bring that knee up. Okay, from a side view, when you see my knee come up, do you notice my toes kind of point down, almost like I'm tippy-toeing. So this position here, you see how my foot is tippy-toeing, right? I'm just lifting it up like this, okay? And then from here, I'm going to keep my ankle straight, and I'm going to kick like this. That's how I do my front kick. So when you guys are practicing, what I want you to do is I want you to put that back heel from your fighting stance. You see how I lifted up my back heel like this? Okay, like I'm tippy-toeing, right? All you're going to do from there is keep your foot straight. Just bring your knee up. And you see how my ankle is still pointed down, or my toes are still pointed down. And then I kick. Okay, so it's going to be like this. One. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to kick toward the screen. Don't kick the screen, but kick toward the screen. Right? Kick slow. Right? I want your feet. If you look at my feet, right? You see how it comes up like that? Okay? That's what I want to see. Okay? I don't want to see this. Okay? I want to see this. Okay? So I want your toes pushed toward the screen. All right? So let's try it, you guys, by my count. Okay, ready? Hana! Just kick and bring it back. There you go. No, just kick and bring it back. Don't worry about hand techniques or anything. Just kick and come back. Okay? Ready? There you go. Set. There you go. Net. That's it. Good. See, Mr. Lucas, your foot's turned sideways when you kick. You're not even paying attention, right? Toes got to be straight up and down. Yes, it. There you go. Here we go. Yay! I hope. One more. Yay! Okay, switch your feet. Pack up. Same thing. Ready? Hana! Look at me. Look toward me and throw that kick. Yay! Let's not goof off, Mr. Jasper. I can see you. Set. There you go. Good. Net. There you go. Set. Keep those hands up. Set. Here we go. Yay! Make sure that back heel is up off the ground, right? We want it to look like this when you start. Okay? Hope. And don't turn your foot, Mr. Soldiers. I don't want it to look like this. I want it to be straight, up and down. Yay! Okay? All right, so now, gentlemen, I want you to turn sideways to the camera. Okay? I want it so that I can see your foot like this. Okay? If you look at my foot, okay, I don't want to see this. I want to see this. Okay? All right, so you either need to adjust your camera if you have a hard time getting your foot. If you're looking at the screen and you can't see your foot, right, then adjust your camera lower, right? I want you to look at the screen as you're throwing this kick and look at your toes. They should look like this, okay? Not like this. Not like this. Okay, like this. Okay? All right, Mr. Lucas, you got to scoot backward a little bit. Your legs are long. All right. So if you need to, like for your body purposes, if you need to step away, like off of the screen like this, and kick into the screen and kind of look and do that, that's fine too. Okay? I know you guys are kind of crammed on space down there, so. All right? Okay. Okay, so all I want you to do right now is I just want you to throw kicks. All right? Both legs, right? Alternate legs. So 1, put it down. Do the other leg. 2, put it down. Right? Kicking sideways. Okay, Mr. Are we using our listening ears? Did you hear what I said? Okay. All right, let me see your kick, sir. We didn't use our listening ears. Remember I told you, you need to be sideways to the camera. All right, you need to kick sideways, yes. Okay? Go ahead and practice on your own. I'm going to watch. Go. See, Mr. Jasper, yeah, your foot's still like this. Your foot is like this. It should be like this. Okay? This is the hard part, you guys. You guys have to train your foot. You have to be able to push your toes out and lift your toes up. Okay? You also have to, if you kick slow, right? If you kick like this, you're never going to break that board either. All right? You kind of have to snap it out. Snap. All right? So once you pick your knee up, right, you have to move this part fast. All right? That's how you're going to, and if you're doing it right, you're going to hear a little bit of snap on your uniform pants. All right? When you do that. If you don't do it right, then you're not going to hear nothing. It's just going to be very silent. Okay? It's okay, Jasper. The camera's in good angle, right? You just need you guys to kick. Alternate your legs so I can see. That's better, Jasper. All right, Mr. Lucas, you need to be really good with both legs because you have to break on both sides. All right. It looks like the right leg is okay. Left leg isn't as good, so. Look at your feet, Mr. Swojis. Look at your feet, right? Make sure you're tippy toe position when you kick. All right, good. It looks better. So the way you practice this, the way you practice your foot position is to make sure that you start walking on your toes. All right, walk around on your toes. Because that's the way you want to hit your target. Okay? So if you can kind of see me here, right? My heel's not touching the wall. Only my toes are. The ball of my foot is. Okay? So if you look at my foot here, right? I'm using this part to touch the wall. Not my heel, just this part. Okay? So when I'm hitting here, right? My heel's not touching. This is heel touching the ground, the wall. Okay? This is not. This is tippy toeing. Okay? So you got to practice being able to put your foot like this. Okay? Push up on your heels. All right, so roundhouse kick is the exact same thing, gentlemen. Okay? So from your fighting stance position, when we do roundhouse kick, right? All we're doing is this motion, right? Front kick motion. But because we pivot, we turn, right? So you're going to turn a little bit, but you're going to snap like a front kick still. Okay? Once again, Jasper, Lucas, you guys need to be real. You have to pay good attention to this because, right, if you don't do this right, you're going to hit your big toe or you're going to hit your toes on that board and then your foot's going to hurt. Okay? Right? You want to make sure that you're hitting just like we do with the front kick. Right? We're hitting with this part of our foot right here. Right? This ball of the foot part. So that's why we want to be like this. Like this. Not like this. That's a side kick. Like this. Okay? So you got to turn your body. One, and snap. Okay? All right, so let's do some roundhouse kicks. All right, give yourself enough room. You don't need to turn a lot. Okay, that's the other thing. You don't need to turn like way like this and go all the way across. You only have to turn a little bit and snap. Okay? Ready? Let's try some roundhouse kicks. Hand up. Good. Good. Keep your knee sideways. 1, 2, right? See how my knee stays sideways? It doesn't point up. It doesn't drop to the ground. Okay? Sit. Roundhouse. Pop. Net. Pivot over. Bring that foot around. Okay? Sit. There you go. Bring your shoulder around too. When you throw a roundhouse kick, bring the shoulder. Turn your shoulder. Don't keep your shoulder back. Bring it around. Sit. You have to make sure that bottom foot turns a little bit. Okay? Here we go. So if we can, we want to try to get that bottom foot to turn halfway. 90 degrees. Okay. You see my bottom foot? Right now it's pointed towards you. When I kick, it's pointed sideways. I hope. Okay. One more. Yay! All right, switch your feet. Paco. Let's do the other leg. Ready. Hanam. There you go. Set. Once again, turn that bottom foot a little bit. Net. Point your toes, right? Like you're tippy toeing. Sat. Sat. Here go. Yadai. Hop. Yay. All right, so homework for you guys. All right, you guys need to work on this part on the foot. Okay, you guys see my foot here? Okay, we need to work on this part here where the heel is up and the toes are down. So what you need to do is you need to practice here, just this. This. Okay? Because when you guys are doing it right now, this is what you do. You start like this, but then when you lift your knee, your toes lift up too. Okay? I want your toes to stay the exact same. Your ankle to be the exact same. All you're doing is you pick your knee up like this. All right? That's all you're going to do. Look down at your toes. All right? It's very important. You want to make sure, right, that Jasper, Lucas, you guys need to help each other out. Mr. Swojis, you can show Dad. Okay? Have Dad watch you do it. You guys have to make sure, right? I want you to lift straight up and don't let the foot move, right? So here, you see my foot doesn't move. I put it back down. It's tippy toe. I lift it up. I put it down. It doesn't move. My foot doesn't move. Okay? You guys need to keep your foot still when you guys do this. So that's your homework. All right? Working on that. All right. Get a quick drink of water and then come back. We're going to work on some one-steps and takedowns for blue belts. Keep going. Take a break. All right, so it would be ideal for you guys to be facing me when you guys are doing these. So I'll be the attacker, and then you guys will do the movements toward me, okay? So let's go through real quick, just some of the basics real quick, all right? One-step sparring. All right, so I'm in my fighting stance position. I'm going to punch towards you guys, right? Remember that first one, number one, we're going to step this way. Left hand palm block, double punch, right? Okay, ready, hana. So jump to the side, right? One, block, and then 1, 2, apex, right? Okay, you also have what you can do here with this one, right? We can go here, we can do palm block, 1, right? Then we can do punch, right? And then we can do something called a ridge hand, all right? So what you guys are doing, watch, follow me, okay? We're going to step to the side. We're going to do left hand palm block. Instead of doing 2 punches, we're going to do 1 punch to the body, and then the other hand, we're going to do a ridge hand. So what you're going to do is you're going to tuck your thumb underneath your fingers like this. So it kind of looks like a knife hand, okay? And then you're going to swing the ridge hand over the punch, right, to the head. Boom, okay? So from here, right, you guys did the palm block here. You punched me in the stomach 1, and then you do the ridge hand here toward my neck, here. Okay, you come across. Right, so let's try it again. Right, so we step out, block, punch, ridge hand. So here you're gonna do your ridge hand toward the back of your room. Okay, it's the left hand. Left hand comes across. You have to step to the left, Mr. Lucas. Okay, Mr. Swojes, I'm going to punch. Show me. Block, and then. No. Just one punch, Mr. Swojes. Palm block, punch. Now, other hand, ridge. Boom. Okay? All right, so let's try that again. Okay, you're going to step. Left hand. All right. Punch. And then right hand, ridge. Okay, it doesn't come down, you guys. It comes up, across. Right? It's got to come over my hand. So, okay, so face me. Face me real quick, everyone. Face me. I'm punching you, right? I'm punching you. So you guys are doing your palm block. Wrong side, Jasper. No. Wrong leg, wrong side. I'm punching you. So you guys over here, right? Palm block. So you push that block. Left hand blocks. Left hand blocks. Okay? Then you do the right hand punch to my side here. Right? And then you're going to do a ridge hand to the neck here. So then you come across toward the back of your room, other hand. Okay? So you guys, right? It should be left hand, right hand, left hand to the back room. There you go. Boom, yeah, right there toward the neck, right? So you're aiming for this part of the neck, toward the back side, okay? You guys understand?
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to swing across.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, keep it unmuted, you guys, so, right? So, right, so it's similar to number one, right? Number one, we just stepped, and then we did 2 punches, right? This one here, you block 1, punch, and then you do your ridge hand. Okay? All right, so let's do number 2 real quick. Let's do number 2, right? Where you step to the side, right? You step to this side, and you do your double knife hand, right?
Yep.
Okay? All right, so number 2, we step to the right, double knife hand chop, right? This side, Mr. Soldiers. Jump to this side. All right. So if I'm punching, right, you guys are jumping to this side, double knife hand, right? Boom, that one's easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Now remember, right, that we have the one with the knee strike, we do the same thing. We jump to this side, 1, here. Right? And then remember, right hand grabs the head, pulls the head down into the right knee.
Cool. Okay.
And then put the knee down. Okay? Right? And then you're going to turn to the back of your room. Right? You're going to do a right elbow strike toward the back of your room. Okay? So the way this looks, here, when I punch, okay, do your double knife hand. Okay? Now your right hand grabs the back of my head. Wrong side, Mr. Swojes. Other side, sir. Right hand grabs the back of my head. You're going to pull it down, lift your knee. 2. Put your knee down, and then turn to the back of your room. Right elbow strike to my head.
Oh, I get it.
Okay? Other elbow, Mr. Swojes. You have to turn to the back of your room. Okay? All right, try it again. Mr. Swojes, just follow me. So step to the side. 1. Front leg. Front leg, yeah. 1. Put it straight down.
Yeah.
Turn to the back of the room. and elbow, right elbow. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So once again, you guys know number 2. It's easy. Now we just did a variation. We just added a movement to get another one step. Okay? So we've only done the first 2 really
Takedown version.
last moves of 3-step sparring. And now we've got 2 new 1-steps because of it. Okay? So we've done 4 techniques right now. All right? So now, okay? So let's do number 3 real quick. All right? Remember number 3, you guys are going to step to this side, right? Step left, step out, and then right leg steps forward, right elbow strike, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay? All right. So now this time, this is what we're going to do. Okay? You're going to step out. 1. Okay? Now from here, instead of stepping with the right leg and doing elbow, you're going to do right leg roundhouse kick. 1 to the stomach, and then put it down in front, and then elbow backward.
I'll let you do that one first.
So you're elbowing to the back of your room.
We do that again.
Okay, so let's try it again. You're in Jumi position. Mr. Sorgis, all right? So step to the side. Right leg roundhouse kick. 1. Put it down in front and elbow back.
I get it.
Okay, I'll let you go first.
Alright, so
Okay, so now watch. Let's do it toward me again, right? I'm punching. You step to the side. You do a roundhouse kick right underneath my arm into my stomach. Boom. Put it down, and then you're going to swing back that elbow, that right elbow. No, right elbow, Mr. Lucas.
just backwards.
Right elbow backward, yeah, right? Hitting me in the back of the head. Okay? So this is how it goes, full speed. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
All right? So you put it down, after the roundhouse kick, put it down in front stance to the front, and then elbow back.
Active. Yeah.
You just
My turn.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
you sir.
All right, go ahead. Let me see. This is Sorgis. I'm going to punch.
Yep.
Yep.
Back a little bit.
There you go. Good. All right, Mr. Sorgis, I want you to keep practicing those, please. Okay? Those 6. Okay, Mr. Lucas, Mr. Jasper, we got it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we got it.
All right. Okay, let's move on to some takedowns, Mr. Lucas, Mr. Jasper.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, so from here, Chumbi. All right, remember the first one we did, the outside in block, right? Step with the right leg across your body, right hand outside in block. And then left elbow. And then right elbow. Right? Then we reach down and grab the foot. We lift up. Right? You're going to turn to your right. Lift your right leg up. Side kick down to the stomach and key up.
Yes, sir.
All right? So when I punch, right leg steps in and across.
Yep.
1. Slide back with the left elbow, right elbow, grab.
I don't see you doing it.
And then right leg side. There you go. Okay, Mr. Jasper, go ahead. Let me see.
Oh, wait,
Make
yeah.
sure you have it. One, 2. Grab. And then perfect. Okay. So remember, you guys, when you guys are falling, right, when we do the lift, you're going to fall straight back. So you're going to be on your back. Okay? You guys have to remember that as well. So when you guys are here and they're grabbing the leg, you got to fall straight back. You got to lay on your back, flat on your back.
Hey, Jasper, come here. Let's try.
Okay? Don't fall on your stomach or your side. You should be on your back.
Oh, no. Let's just move on.
Okay, so now let's do the next one, you guys. Right? We have the one where you step on the inside. So if I'm punching here, you're going to step in with your left leg on the inside of my right foot. Okay? You're going to be on the inside. Remember, this one we come up with the C block, the arc hand block, and we do the face punch at the same time. So 1, and then stomach punch 2. And then remember, we grab, you're going to pull to your right. you're going to slide your left leg to the left like this. And then you pivot to the other side and punch. Okay?
Get here.
Do you want to do it or?
You can go for it.
So.
Who's attacking?
Me.
Okay, Jasper, let me see.
Why are you running?
One. Make sure your foot is on the outside of his foot.
Yeah.
Or, I'm sorry, inside of his foot. See here, inside of his foot, right? So 1, 2. Then pull toward your curtain. Yep. And then slide your foot toward me. And then pivot toward me. Turn and pivot toward me. And punch toward me. Okay? So you're here like this, right? You guys went like this. Then you got to turn toward me, toward the screen, and then punch downward. Because remember, right? From here, when you guys pull me, right, I'm going to fall flat. I'm going to be on my stomach. Okay? So that's what it is. You punch me in the face, you punch me in the stomach, then you slam me to the ground. So I'm going to fall flat this way. Okay?
Yes.
All right, let me see.
Yeah.
Make sure on the inside. 1, 2.
On my foot. Inside, not on my foot.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Fall
And then
down.
pull your foot. Your left foot has to come toward the screen. Mr. Jasper, or excuse me, Mr. Lucas. From here, I'm just like you. I'm going to pull toward the curtain with the arm. I'm going to move my left leg toward the screen. Right? Like this. And then I'm going to pivot toward the screen, and I'm going to punch. There you go. Punch down. Punch down toward the ground. Yeah. Because remember, the person's laying on the ground. Okay?
Okay, yes, sir.
All right.
You running and on soldiers. You're going to get in trouble, I'm telling you.
Okay. So, right, is that the only 2 that you guys know? What else?
We also no the one where
Trouble.
I do the head around you and pull you down like that.
Why are you running like this?
That's not a takedown.
I'll ask
All right. Okay, gentlemen, watch me.
if you have to run.
Okay, so from here. All right, so Lucas and Jasper. We did this one where we blocked and we went on the inside of the foot, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so now this time you're going to step a little bit wider. You're going to step on the outside of the foot this time. When we do that, you're going to do a knife hand block with the left hand, kind of down and up. And at the same time, you're going to punch. So it's 1.
Okay.
Okay? And then once again, we're going to do that stomach punch too, right? So 1, 2. Now grab the arm. Okay, grab the arm with the right hand. And then with your grab the arm with your left hand, right? With your right hand, you're going to come out and you're going to sweep the leg that's next to your foot. Boom, this way. They fall to the ground and then drop down that punch. No, same hand. Same hand. Right hand and right. Okay? So,
Right, you're first.
once again, you got to step on the outside. Left knife hand, right hand face punch. And then stomach punch with the right hand. Grab with the left hand. Right hand sweeps the leg. And then right hand drops down that punch. Okay? All right, let me see, guys.
It's 2.
Okay.
You can't see it.
I can't see it now.
I got this.
No,
Are you guys like taping this thing or something?
no, we're trying to make it.
Oh, it sounds like tape. It sounds like tape coming off the wall or something. Just put it on the floor, guys. All right, just put it on the floor, yeah.
What's that?
Can you guys just, yeah, like that. That's fine.
Okay.
Hey.
Yep.
So step on the outside. Face punch. Stomach punch.
Cool.
And then, no. Remember, right hand is going to grab the outside of his leg and pull toward the curtain. Sweep that front leg. Yeah. You're going to take that leg out. 1. And then he falls on his back. And then that right hand comes down. Boom. Drops the hammer on him. Okay? So, right, this is what happens. Okay? So, right, go ahead and do it again. Do it again. Do it again, Lucas. Okay, so face punch, stomach punch. Now, when you sweep my leg, see, watch. When you do that sweep motion, see, my front leg is going to come toward the curtain. It's going to come up like this. So when I'm here, I'm going to hear, and I'm going to fall on my back. Right? So once I get, there you go. And then you drop that hammer down, right? Sweep the leg, drop the hammer. Okay? All right, try the other side. Try, Jasper. I want you to do the same thing.
Sir. Okay.
You're okay. I can see you. So step on the outside of his leg. No. It's a knife hand. It's not this. It's the knife hand. Come across. Face punch, stomach punch, right? And then grab his hand. Grab his hand. Right? Then with the right hand, sweep. Sweep toward, sweep toward the curtain. Come on the outside of his leg and lift toward the curtain. He falls on his butt and then drop the hammer. Okay? So you guys are grabbing the outside of the leg. Okay? So you're grabbing this side of the leg and you're going to sweep this way. You're going to sweep it this way. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So work on those 3, please. Work on those 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Swojis, let me see the first one, right? Jump to the side, palm block, double punch. Wrong hand. No, wrong hand. Right hand first. 1. So 1, 2. All right, and then 3. Try it again. Ready? So I punch, you step, push. No, other hand pushes. 1, punch, and then to the back of my head, do the ridge hand. No, other hand. Okay, Mr. Swojis, look at me, please. Look at me, okay? Look at me. I want you in horse riding stance like this. Okay? Palm block. Punch. And then ridge hand. Okay, again. Palm block. Punch. Ridge hand. Okay? Like this. Not like this. Like this. Yeah, across. 1. Okay? One more time. Palm block. Punch. Ridge hand. Okay? All right, now let's do it. Ready? I'm going to punch towards you. 1. Jump to the side. Palm block. Punch. Ridge hand.
Which hand? The other? No.
Other hand.
The other hand. Not the hand that punched.
All the way to the back. I want you to turn all the way to the back. With that hand all the way to the back. The back of your room. No, wrong.
The other hands.
Other hand. Block. 1. Punch. Now, that open hand. Do the ridge hand toward the back of the room. No.
From the back to the,
Toward the very back. Toward that door. Behind you.
No.
No.
Bring it
All right, across. Across, Swojis. Across. Yeah, like that. Okay? Turn your head and look to the back corner of your room when you do that. All right? So look to the corner.
When you're doing the ridge hand, you look to the corner.
Okay, let's try it again. I know it's a little confusing. Okay? So 1. Block, punch, and then do the ridge hand to the 1, 2. Yes. Okay, again, one more time.
Once more. Once more.
Master
One more.
Mom,
One more time.
you have to look this way and do the rich hand.
Yes, your body turns. Turn your body, turn your head. Okay, so do the block. No, which hand blocks? And then punch. And then, okay, see? The thing you're not doing is, are you supposed to keep one hand out and punch like this? All right? So you block and then you punch, right? You pull the other hand back, right? And then pull the other hand back. No, see, you're keeping the hand out there. You have to, right? It's like when you're punching two hands, right? You pull one hand back. Okay, so you have to do, no, other hand, palm block, punch, ridge hand. There you go, okay? Got to work on that. All right, gentlemen, our time's up. Go ahead and face me. Okay, good job. Keep working, please. All right, charit and 경남. Okay, have a good night, you guys. Keep practicing. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay?
Bye.
Bye. Have a good night.
Yeah, good night, guys.
Night, sir.